If you want to level up your edit with smooth transitions, in this tutorial, I will walk you through exactly how to make this amazing transition in After Effects. But before we start, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the future tips. So let me show you the comp settings. It's 1920 by 1080 with 30 frames per second. Now, to create a new solid, press Ctrl+Y on your keyboard and I will pick a very dark grey color for our first background. Then I will repeat the same process, but this time I will choose an off-white color for our second background. Now I will rename the first solid as Scene 1 and the second one as Scene 2. Now let's make a star of our transition. Open Shape Layer 1, go into Contents, Polystar 1 and in Polystar Path 1, decrease the inner radius and increase the inner roundness. Now hide the star, we will work on this later in the video. After that, increase the size of our Scene 2. Let's add radial wipe and twirl to our Scene 2. Then keyframe the transition angle and twirl angle at the very beginning. Then move forward 2 seconds in the timeline and add keyframe here as well. After that, set the transition completion to 100% at the very beginning and the twirl angle to 2 at 2 seconds. Don't forget to add some feather in the radial wipe effect for that smooth look. Select all these keyframes and hit F9 to ease them. Then go to the graph editor and adjust the graph just like I did. Once that's done, let's add some Gaussian blur to our Scene 2 to make it look more smoother. Next, it's time to animate our star. So let's unhide the Shape Layer 1 and add some scale keyframes. After that, set the first and last keyframe to 0 and the middle one to 100. Then select all these keyframes, hit F9 to ease them, go to the graph editor and adjust the graph to make the animation smooth. Now let's add some rotation keyframes to our shape layer. After that, copy the graph value from our Scene 2 keyframes and paste it to the rotation keyframe of our Shape Layer 1. I'm changing the star color to something a lighter one. Let's add some glow to our star and increase the radius by a lot. You can always adjust the scale in Properties panel without disturbing the keyframes. Now you can see our transition is completed. To make it look more smooth, you can adjust the Gaussian blur of our Scene 2. Let me add some graphic to see the final preview. Till then, you can hit that like button and subscribe the channel. Also, you can leave a comment if you have any questions. And now it's time to see the final preview.